Imagine walking into a jewelry store and realizing the most expensive thing in the glass case might be the biggest scam in modern history. For over a century, diamonds ruled everything. Love, status, power, engagements, entire economies were built on one simple idea. Diamonds are rare, diamonds are forever, and diamonds are worth whatever the price tag says. But now, something small, cheap, and completely unglamorous is tearing that illusion apart. It doesn't sparkle like a diamond. It doesn't come with a velvet box, and in some places, it costs less than lunch. Yet this stone is quietly doing what no protest, no lawsuit, and no rival ever could. It's collapsing a billion-dollar industry from the inside. Here's the part nobody saw coming. The diamond industry wasn't defeated by another luxury stone. It wasn't beaten by rubies, emeralds, or even lab diamonds at first. It was beaten by a stone most people ignored: moissanite. Originally discovered inside a meteor crater, moissanite wasn't even meant to be jewelry. Scientists studied it because it shouldn't exist naturally on Earth. For decades, it was a lab curiosity, not a fashion statement. Then technology caught up. Suddenly, this space stone could be produced consistently, cheaply, and at scale. And when jewelers actually compared it to diamonds under proper lighting, something uncomfortable happened. Moissanite didn't look worse. In many cases, it looked better. It reflects more light than a diamond. It has more fire, more rainbow flashes. On camera, under store lighting, and especially on social media, moissanite often outshines diamonds completely. And here's the most dangerous part. Most people can't tell the difference. Not customers, not friends. Sometimes not even jewelers without special tools. That's when the cracks started forming. Diamonds were never priced based on usefulness. They were priced on perception, uncontrolled scarcity, on a carefully managed supply chain that made common stones feel rare. Moissanite doesn't play by those rules. There's no cartel controlling it, no vaults stockpiling it, no artificial shortage. Which means prices don't magically inflate just because someone says they should. A ring that costs $8,000 in diamond form can cost under $500 with moissanite, sometimes under $100. And visually, to the average person, the cheaper ring often looks more impressive. That's a nightmare scenario for luxury branding. But the real destruction didn't come from jewelers. It came from couples. A generation raised during economic instability started asking uncomfortable questions. Why spend 3 months' salary on a stone that immediately loses resale value? Why tie love to debt? Why follow rules invented by marketing campaigns from the 1940s? Moissanite gave them an exit. Same look, same symbolism. None of the financial regret. And once that door opened, there was no closing it. Diamond companies tried to respond. Some pushed lab-grown diamonds. Others doubled down on natural-only messaging. Some quietly attacked moissanite as fake or cheap. But the internet doesn't care. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels flooded with comparison videos. Side-by-side tests, blind reactions, jewelers admitting, off the record, that customers were choosing moissanite and never coming back. Worse for the industry, resale values told the truth. Diamonds don't hold value like people think. Walk out of a store and the price collapses. Moissanite buyers already know it's not an investment, so expectations are honest from the start. That honesty is lethal to a luxury myth. Now here's the quiet part nobody wants to say out loud. Once consumers realize diamonds are optional, the entire emotional monopoly breaks. Engagement rings no longer require diamonds. Status symbols stop working. The illusion of rarity evaporates. And once an illusion breaks, it never fully comes back. This isn't just about jewelry, it's about power shifting from industries to individuals, from legacy marketing to informed choice, from "this is how it's always been" to "prove why it should be." Moissanite didn't destroy diamonds overnight. It's doing something far worse. It's making them irrelevant, and the scariest part for the industry. This stone costs about $10 at the raw material level, which means the next disruption is already coming. And it'll be even cheaper.